Welcome. If you want to block ads in your Oukitel WP6, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Opera Mini. We are going to get this browser and I'm going to show you how easily you can block a very ad that in the most cases pop up on your screen in different browsers. Let's open. Accept all of the permissions. Click right here and check if ad blocking is turned on, like in my case. Right now we can enter, for example, this website. We don't want to switch to the reader mode. As you can see here, we get the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. And right now when we click one more time here, we'll see how many ads were blocked, and in this time it is the 15. So when we scroll down, we cannot find here any ads. And I think it's really cool, you don't have to connect any external application. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.